Money will flow with these simple tips for your affiliate marketing campaigns. An affiliate marketing program can be a great way to bring in extra income without much effort. If you're not sure how to get started, or if you are worried that it may be too difficult, you'll want to watch this video. Here you'll learn some great tips for getting started with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a good way to make some money without having to invest a lot of money. You don't have to invest on buying or producing products. The only thing you have to worry about when it comes to affiliate marketing is advertising and marketing. You have to make sure your website attracts enough attention to where people are clicking on the links on there and buying the products they view, giving you your income. So you may need to invest in some software that will help you to write and post interesting and relevant content. Remember that affiliate marketing should not be looked at as a get-rich-quick plan. Be patient and know that affiliate monies grow with time and effort. Keep your referral links active. There are different affiliate programs, and if one doesn't work for you, look for another one. Affiliate marketing is a great opportunity to gain passive income if you use it well. If you are going to make cash through the affiliate marketing industry, it is important that you know who your audience is. If your website is about trumpet mouthpieces, then you probably will not make very much profit by advertising for vacuum cleaners because your audience is not in the market for a new vacuum. As you've seen, affiliate marketing programs can be quite easy to set up and the rewards can be significant. A successful program can increase your income without requiring much investment. Just remember what you've learned from this video, and soon you too can begin enjoying the rewards of a successful affiliate marketing program. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and ranking system. 2. Finds untapped buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.